Hello guys, today we are going to discuss one of the breakout strategy which will help us giving some good profits. This breakout is nothing but is called as channel breakout. What exactly this channel breakout means? Whenever the market wanted to move up or move down, like if you are saying from 1.2 topwards, it is called bullish movement, and from 1.2 downwards, it is called as bearish movement. I hope everyone knows about this. So if the market wanted to move in a higher trend, like it wanted to trend from one place to another one, like instead of going slowly, it wanted to move very fast, then it should have some accumulation of buyers or sellers. Until there are proper buyers or sellers, it will not have a trending market. So the market, what happens usually is, if you are seeing the bank nifty, the chart which is provided here, this is the bank nifty and it is in a 15 minutes time frame. What earlier happened, the market have hit the all-time high. If you are seeing, it has made about 32,900 or sometime, and from there it had fell nearly how many points? It fell almost 5%. So what exactly it happened here? Without any break, like if you are seeing, it had been fallen nearly 5%. But again today there was a fall in the market session. It almost Bank Nifty have crashed for 3%. But if you are seeing for 2 days, it did not have any movement, either upwards or downwards, it was not moving. What exactly it happened is, it was accumulated some buyers or sellers. See, if you are seeing this chart, there was a fall. And if you are seeing exactly this portion, let me have a graph there so that it will be clear. This is the channel from here to this range, exactly this range up to yesterday, say suppose up to yesterday 3:15, 3:30. So this is the candle, correct? This is the place it was there for 2 days. It was either moving up nor moving down. So what exactly it happened? It had come to this place and it was in a dilemma, like whether it has to go up or go down. So what what the people's mentality is like here, investors or traders are really scared about the markets, because the market, there was a session coming, finance session, like there will be a budget session going on February first week, and the markets, like we don't know what kind of taxes will be imposed, or what kind of new policies will be implemented. Everything, like it will be a dilemma, because market have already moved very high. The investors or whoever traders will not have that much of assurance that the market will still go high, so they will tend to take some profits. But for these 2 days, entirely in this range it was there. Again, there was a fall for 3%. So what exactly my mindset in the morning when I was entering the trade? So I was sure, like because the market have closed here in the last half an hour, if you are seeing, it was completely the downside. So I was like assured, like there were sellers taking control. Once if the sellers are taking the control, it will be a drop. But how much? Do you have any idea? No one does. See, but people have so much confusion. In the first candle itself, I went short. See here, first candle, it opened red. Then next it has a breakout from this channel. Then it is for sure the price action is towards the down side. And again it has moved little sideways in this particular region. If you are seeing, let me draw so that it will be easy. It was downside, and this area exactly again it was in accumulation zone and little upwards, but I did not have good buyers, because yesterday's whatever resistance or support zones were acting like today's resistance or support zones. So here again, yesterday's whatever support it was there, today it was acting as a resistance, and it again fell down. So this is what the channel breakout. I have made nearly 24,000 rupees, but I would have made a little more extra also, but I have to complete within 1 hour. So I have closed off the trade. Otherwise, I would have made 100 points more. If you're seeing this particular one, I was trading around 300 rupees or something in the morning. If you are opening the chart, today it was around 27th. It is 300 rupees and it fell to 30 rupees. Even in expiry day, that is on Thursdays also, we will not get this much of premium decay. But today, because of volatility, the premiums have reduced so much. Like how much it had fell, 3% in a single day, and you are getting like nearly 300 plus points without any risk. What is the risk I have taken, you know? It is exactly 20 rupees. But how much the profit we have made? 300 points. What is the risk reward ratio? You cannot even have that good risk reward ratio anytime. So these are the strategies which will work out for sure. What will happen? Maximum the stop loss will hit. Say suppose there is a breakout from here. You take a stop loss, like you enter the trade for the short direction, and above these candles you keep the stop loss. If it hits, it's fine. Let this 20 points, 30 points go in stop loss. And again you wait for some time. Here again you have seen the rejection. Then again there is a breakout. Again you enter it. You will have 300 points ban. It's not a less than making you a good profitable zone. So this is one of the best strategy which I can say. And let me tell you how it might be for tomorrow. See, for tomorrow, like first of all, I wanted to tell you where are the support and resistance zones next, like up to where the market will fall. If you're seeing in the last 1 hour also, like market is free falling only, and here again it is in a sideways direction. So we don't know how the market will open tomorrow. But as per me, like let me go to some uh, trading view chart, which I have already made some trend lines, and let me open the 1 hour chart. So what exactly you are finding here? If tomorrow again the market opens in the same place, or if it opens in the negative place, like you have to wait for the price action. Today's closing price will be like exactly acting as your support or resistance. So very careful about this. If it breaks, it's fine. But if it doesn't break, again you will have proper support nearly at 29,000 range. See, that is the place where the market have bounced back. So that is the place. Again, it may take resistance. If again the market is free falling tomorrow, then it has a chance of falling for 1,000 points. But what the ideal condition? If the market opens little up, then again you have this range exactly 31,200. It has a good support area and resistance area. This is the resistance area, and it may move around these points only, 31,000 to 30,000. So nearly 800 points, I guess. 800 points the market may move. Yeah, nearly 700 points it may move. But again, if the market goes for the fall, the next wherever the chance you have, it may bounce only up to here. Otherwise, there is no support zone for this. It may have a free fall again. So be careful, guys, while tomorrow you're trading. Keep proper stop loss. And what I'm thinking again, the market may be in the sideways because don't know from how many days it is continuously falling. So it is falling so much than needed. If it needs some good news or something, again it will have a sideways market and then it will have a proper bullish candles. Let's wait for that, but don't trade until you have a proper stop loss. Happy trading. Meet you in the next video. Signing off, Vivek.